In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private or secret project inside of Monday.com. Now, a lot of people I've noticed, they'll think first thing, hey, I do want to have project management software, but maybe there's some projects that I want to be a little bit under wraps, right? Maybe it's a surprise to employees or just something that everybody doesn't need to know about. So in this one, I have a board that I made, and all I did was go to my private boards right over here, and I just hit create new, and that made me a board that I named Secret Projects. And so this one I'm designing different things. So I have jetpack, thrusters, anti-gravity machine, and a flux capacitor redesign project that's going on. And I've assigned them to one person that I brought into the group. Now, these are secret projects, but obviously you can't have a secret project all by yourself. So what you're going to do is over here on this board, right over here in the right-hand corner, click right here, add team members to this board, right? So I'm going to add Dave, right? Dave at company.com. He's in now, so it's just Dave and myself, and we're on it. And I'm going to assign the anti-gravity machine design. So I got to subscribe Dave to the board, right? And I can also make him an owner of the board or whatever. But anyhow, I can assign that to him, right? And then I can put a timeline on this, and I can see all of the timelines. And this will only be visible to everybody who is on this board. So anyhow, that is how you make a private or secret board for a project that you don't want everybody to know about necessarily inside of Monday.com. I hope this helped you, and thank you for watching.